Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Honda CRV key fob. First, gather your essential tools. You will need one new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit area is also helpful to keep track of tiny components. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, ensuring reliable operation for your vehicle's locking and unlocking features. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side or back of your fob and slide out the emergency key. Next, insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into the narrow seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool slightly. This action will carefully separate the casing, allowing you access to the internal components without causing damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side faced up. Now, take your new 3-volt CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your bare fingers. Finally, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely snapped shut. Slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, stand near your vehicle and test all the buttons, such as lock and unlock, to ensure your key fob is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.